Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me because we are going to be having our baby shower today. I'm so excited. We've been working so hard on getting everything ready for today and it came out beautiful. I'm like over the moon, beyond my expectations. Just so excited about this baby shower because all the decorations came out so pretty. I love my dress. So the first thing I need to do this morning, I need to put my dress in the dryer because I got it on Amazon, so it came in a little wrinkled. So I need to put it in there and hopefully if I dry it for a while and kind of shake it out, the wrinkles will come out because I'm not the best at ironing. So let me grab that and then we'll put that in and make sure it's ready for the party. So before I spray this and put it in the dryer, I wanted to kind of give you a quick look at it. This dress is off the shoulder, which I love. It's my favorite type of dress to wear. It has this really pretty little little frilly thing in the front. It has long sleeves, really pretty. I'm also going to wear this for my maternity photos, and we're going to do those in January, so I'm glad it has long sleeves. It's also just like incredibly long. It has a train too. I don't know if you can tell, probably can't, but it has like a nice pretty train in the back. But that's not how I'm gonna wear it today because it's supposed to be like a floor length dress. But I'm so short and it goes to the floor and I just do not want to be walking around like that all day long. I want to be able to move around and play games and help with those. So I think what I'm going to do, because it's so like form fitting, I'm just going to like kind of fold it up and pull it up. So that way it's like almost like it'll be like a high-low kind of effect, because this little thing right here, if I fold up the dress, I can kind of tuck it in underneath here and you'll see what I'm talking about when I try it on. But I'm gonna just spray this with some of this Downy wrinkle release and put it in the dryer and cross my fingers and hope for the best. So I'm gonna do the cupcakes right now. I'm gonna frost them and decorate them. I'm gonna try something I've never tried before with the frosting. I seen this on Instagram somewhere. I hope it works. I hope I don't like hurt myself. I don't know if it's gonna get messed up, but I'm gonna use my mixer with one of the little little whisks part and put it in here and kind of whip up the frosting before I apply it onto the cupcakes. So I'm gonna try that first. And then the other thing I'm going to try, which I'm really nervous about, never used before, is this little cake decoration kit that I got from Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to go in with this one for the frosting. I hope it comes out good. If it doesn't, I'll just like smooth over it with like a butter knife and it'll just, be a regular frosted cupcake. But hopefully I can make it look a little fancy, make it look nice. But let's whip up the frosting first. That actually worked pretty good. It kind of got the frosting like all soft. So I'm gonna put it into this bag. I put the bag in this little Starbucks cup just so that way like this top part doesn't get all messy when I get the spatula to put the frosting in. So I'm gonna add this to put the frosting into the bag. Did go in there pretty mess free. So now I'm gonna attempt to ice these. So this is how they came out. I think they came out really, really cute. The frosting was kind of soft, so it didn't really hold its shape well. So I'm gonna add the sprinkles and then put it in the fridge, so that way it kind of gets more solid and doesn't melt anymore. So I washed and dried all the pieces to this piping bag because I'm gonna use it to fill the yolk in for the deviled eggs. So I'm just gonna do the same process. I'm gonna put this in the cup and then fill it with the yolk filling, and then we'll fill up these eggs. So I'm gonna assemble a little bag of candy. These candies here are the ones that I'm gonna melt to put in the diapers for the diaper guessing game. And part of the prize for the winner is gonna be a little bag with one of each of these little mini candies. So I'm gonna put this little bag together, and then I'm gonna melt the candies, and then that game will be all set. So I'm all ready for the shower. I got my little pin on right here, the mommy to be pin that I made, and I'm just gonna show you guys all the decorations. So this is the setup we have going on. We put all the chairs around the room since there's gonna be about 9 of us. Not a whole lot of room to work with, but we have just enough. Over here on this table, this is kind of like the game table where we have all the baby shower games. This one right here is where you guess how many cotton balls or clouds are in the bottle. And then you just put your little answers in here. I made these little cards. I printed them out and cut them out, shaped out like clouds. Here in the back, this is the clothespin line that we're gonna be using to play the clothespin game. I'm really excited about that one. Over here, we have like that guess the poop kind of game where there's some candy bars melted in there, and then we're gonna guess which ones. Well, I'm the only one who knows which candies are in there, but everyone else is gonna guess. And again, I made these little cards to go with it. And then this right here, this is a guess who, mommy or daddy game. Me and Zach answered these questions, and then we're gonna give them to the guests to answer. These back here are the prizes. We got about 4 prizes, and I made those little cloud tags. In addition to the prizes, we're also going to give out these little bottles of either sparkling apple cider or champagne to go along with the prize. And right here in this little bowl is the little candy bags that we made for the take-home gift for the guests. And then Zach made up this little sign for the baby shower, and I thought it was really, really cute. On the mirror, and you can see me, I have all of the baby's ultrasound pictures up, all of my favorite ones anyway. And right there in the middle, where it says welcome baby Bean, I just made that little sign. We don't have a name picked out for him just yet, so we just call him Bean. So by this window, me and my sister and my mom made these little clouds at the top out of tissue, and I just put a little tinsel curtain in the background. Over on this table, I put that little mirror with some tea lights. Looks super pretty. And over here by the present table, I kind of kept it simple, but these are the presents my sister and my mom brought over so far until the rest of the guests show up. And then over here, this is my favorite part of the whole room, is the balloon arch with the background. We worked really hard on this arch, and it was surprisingly kind of easy. It was easy putting it together. It was just difficult hanging it, but I love the way it looks. It came out so pretty. And then we got the baby boxes from Party City. Zach filled them up with the white and the blue balloons. This is where I'm gonna be sitting to open up presents. The little backdrop came from Amazon. It was really, really cute. Here, let me move the chair a little bit so you can see how it looks. Very, very pretty. I absolutely love it. So this is all the decorations for the dining room where the party's gonna take place. So now let me show you the kitchen. So this is the setup we have in the kitchen. Right here, this is the little display of cupcakes. I think they came out really, really adorable. And then over here, we've got the deviled eggs. And we got the little charcuterie board here. Nothing fancy, just like simple things. And there's the plates, everything. And this is the salad that we got from Olive Garden. We are gonna order pizza later. I'm not gonna bother filming any of that, but we did get the salad ahead of time. So this is the spread on the food until the pizza gets here. Over in this corner, on this counter, we're gonna have the cups, soda, water, and then in the freezer, we got some ice. And then other than that, over here on the stove, we kind of got a little makeshift bar going on. My sister's mixing drinks. She's even gonna make me a few mocktails so I can have something. But yep, this is everything we got going as far as the kitchen. I really, really like the way all the food came out.
No, you're gonna. That side right there.
Nate loves to help.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Okay.
So originally you were supposed to yell out baby names, but we were, or like, not baby names, baby stuff, like themed stuff,
Yeah.
but we're like, we don't want to do that, this is stupid. So you just grab as many as you can until you drop one, and trust me,
But
you're gonna drop one pretty quick,
You
because
can only use one hand and you can't readjust it.
there's no time either.
You gotta
There's
keep
no
it
time.
with one hand.
Yeah, so apparently, she was being hard on me last night, so apparently you're not able to adjust them, you gotta
You can't adjust
No,
them.
you gotta just take them as you
Just
have
take
them in
them
your
off?
hand.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
But you can readjust them in
Just
your
come on the
hand,
side.
just not like.
You can fit in the
Why?
one hand pretty much.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
no, no.
Yeah, so we can all see it.
Why? Who cares?
It makes
Yeah,
more
yeah,
sense.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go.
We'll just give you a handicap, so if you drop one, we'll let you go again.
No.
Come on.
Great legs.
Yeah, there's 3 of them, there's 3 gifts.
There's one right in the back there too. Same
Okay,
kind.
then you want to hand me those ones?
These
Mom?
are in here.
Yeah, otherwise
Oh
look like that
my
wrapping
gosh.
paper.
I know. I thought. I was like, I know you like that.
I love
That's
this
cute.
already. I'm like, that's
That's what
too
we'll
cute.
see there. I know.
Oh, I was like, what the hell is that doing? Something out.
There you go.
Yeah, my mom.
So that's for the crib, that's for the crib. I hope that's what.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Is
why I asked you what you're
is that what you're doing?
Okay.
Yeah,
There's the elephants and all that.
Yes,
That's for the
thank you.
crib.
It's
Yeah.
not-
That's
Little,
for sure.
little,
That's
little,
just
sheet, little sheets and stuff.
With the little
the
elephant.
comforter set and the, yeah.
Thank you. I love that. That's perfect.
You're welcome.
Thanks, guys.
That's what the theme, right? When you said elephant,
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah.
Yep, let's
Because
continue.
Jesse told us.
Oh, how cute. Oh, perfect.
Just rich.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Oh, that's beautiful.
Kind of gives you an idea what you put in there and.
Oh, and it has like oh, it shows you like the
Absolutely.
Little thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cute. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. That's a little Cookie Monster. That's too cute. Oh, look at that. That's too cute. I like that you got me the different, the variety of the sizes because I didn't want, because I had a lot of new ones after the party, and I really didn't get to film too much during the party because I was just enjoying the moment, and I didn't know if the people who were there were very comfortable with being on video, so I just didn't record too much, but we had a lot of fun. The clothespin game, that was a big hit. A lot of people liked that game. So this bottle, this was the one we used for the guessing game. This had 59 cotton balls in it, and my mom actually won. She guessed 50, so she did pretty good. So she won. My sister won I guess the poop game. She got 4 out of 5 right. And then we did the guess who, mommy or daddy game with like all the questions. Who ended up winning that one? Oh, my sister my sister Jackie, she got the most right, but she already won, so she gave it to somebody else. So I think Destiny got it?
I think so.
Yeah, Destiny got that one. The clothespin game, the first one we played, that one was really fun. My brother-in-law Brandon won. But all in all, everything came out really, really good. We had a really good time, and now we're just hanging out and relaxing. I'm a little bummed out though because I didn't take a whole lot of pictures of like the game table that I had set up. I only took like the video for this vlog, but I didn't take any pictures to share like on Instagram or Facebook, so I'm a little bummed out about that. But otherwise, everything just turned out so perfect, and I thank you guys for watching this video and following me, preparing for all of this for the party. It was a wonderful, wonderful day, and I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.